Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about dividing radicals. So when we're dividing radicals, we have something called the quotient property for radicals, and that says if a and b are real numbers and n is an integer greater than 1, then we have that the nth root of the fraction a over b is equal to the nth root of a over the nth root of b, where b is not equal to 0. Again, we get this from the power of a quotient property that we learned a couple of lessons ago, because the nth root of a, I can rewrite that as a over b raised to the 1 over nth power. And we learned with the quotient the power of a quotient property, that this is equal to a to the 1 over n divided by b to the 1 over n, which gets you that nth root of a over nth root of b. So for example, let's say I had the fourth root of 162 over the fourth root of 2. Going backwards from this property from the right to the left, this would equal to the fourth root of 162 divided by 2, which if I divide that, I get 81. So this becomes the fourth root of 81. And we know that the fourth root of 81 is 3, because 3 raised to the fourth power gets me 81. So let's practice using that property. So we're going to use that property to simplify each expression. Number 1, I have the fourth root of 80 divided by the fourth root of 5. And so using the quotient property, I know that this is equal to the fourth root of the fraction 80 over 5. And when I divide 80 and 5, I get 16. So this becomes the fourth root of 16. And so thinking of what number, if I multiply it, or if I raise it to the exponent of 4, gets me 16, I see that that is going to be 2. Okay, looking at one more, I have the third root of 192 divided by the third root of 3. Well, again, we know from the quotient property, this is equal to the third root of 192 over 3. And if I divide 192 divided by 3, I get 64. And now thinking through this, what raised to the third power gets me 64? I see that that is going to be 4. Because 4 times 4 times 4 gets me 64.